Life as we know it is so beautiful, so perfect. The wilderness. But what would happen if one fool tried to survive? That fool's me. Chairs. Thank you for joining us on our guide today in the beautiful world of Minecraft and how I set that on fire without even trying. We have the cow. Why run away, cow? I know where you live. Oh, we hit the jackpot in where we ended up. We literally ended up in a dark cave in the middle of nowhere. Nobody will know what happens to you. You see? This is how you forage food, kids. I found coal, but I have nothing to mine it with. Be quiet! I'm the pro here, not you. Chicken! I just want your egg, your webble! I want your child! Okay, no child. Hey, Bosho! Ashina! Ashina! ¿Dónde vas? After like 2 raw muttons and like 2 chickens, I'm finally filled. I've been working up an appetite from beating up all those innocent animals. Cows. I'm just gonna continue to waste my food. You see this? I have a dick's-eye daisy. Don't mess with me. The Ender Dragon must be like so scared of me. I am Zero Collider. Thank you for joining us today in this beautiful passage of life. Ah! This pig won't die. Is it normal to like say in the middle of like a documentary, this pig won't die? 3. Wheat. Who even eats wheat anymore? Come back, pig. You're being nice. So I will. What? Did you guys see that? I don't know if I lagged or like. The pig was just floating for a second in the air. What?
Alright, let's go kill those kids.
There's obviously somebody in the fire. I must go save them. Oh my god, I actually stuck that landing? Whoa. I stuck that light landing. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Aiden, when you see the video, you'll understand, okay?
Okay.
Because you know, like, when you jump into, like, try to jump onto that one skinny square between the lava?
Yeah.
And you, like, catch fire and everything?
Yeah.
I actually made the jump. And I accidentally threw a chicken away. Oh, I was hoping I caught fire. Capitalism.
Damn, you kids, get off my property.
Well, I can live to say I lived.
I don't know.
You see that, Mr. Cow? You're next. I cannot explain the amount of cows I am attacking at the moment. This would be so much easier if I had just made myself a sword or something. I remember when I got Minecraft, I was just playing creative, right? So I didn't know what one thing did. I just had like stacks of of like diamond swords and stuff, and I thought that you're just supposed to walk around with them. Winter is coming, and I will die.
How did I die? I didn't even touch it.
Well, I'm destroying this wood quite easily.
Wow.
Whoa. I'm just experiencing art.
Good rain.
Okay. Slow and steady, baby.
Alright. Okay. Oh, what is that?
Life! It's so beautiful, so pure, so perfect. Hey, wait. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna need a crafting table.
You can like totally do it.
You know everything that you're saying. Okay, hey, can I make myself armor yet? Yay! I got Gucci boots, bro! I got Gucci! Okay. We'll just put that there. Okay, a wooden axe. Wait, why would I need a wooden sword? No. Where's the pickaxe? Okay. The backup pickaxe. Never forget that one. And the backup axe. I don't trust swords. So yeah. Oh, come on. It's almost nighttime. It's gonna be extra hard to come around now. Okay. Anything that comes my way will be faced by this. That's right, pig. I'm your worst nightmare. Not the skeletons. Creeper! Aw, man. Oh my god, I am not even kidding. Guess what I literally just found? A pink sheep. Haha, I killed that was the world's last sheep. Pink sheep. Alright, please tell me I get 2 strings out of this. I did it! Oh, I should really like bring this out. Oh wait, I completely forgot to put on the Gucci boots. Okay. How much does it cost to make? Okay. No, but I'm looking for a fishing rod. Okay, fishing rod. Oh yeah, Vector, that's me with a capital V. You know what? When like this world becomes so good, I'm gonna literally make a Vector statue. I'll just see my way out now. Why are Minecraft nights the hardest? Why did I turn on keep inventory? Mistakes we make. Hey. No attacking me. I've had a rough day, mister.
You got.
I'm not sure live skeletons are in the wild. What's going on here?
I'm not sure you're in the wild.
And of course we find that. Ladies and gentlemen, we've hit the jackpot. No!
Yo, what's tripping?
Nothing much, except I'm about to die again because of a skeleton. Ah! Are you serious right now? Whoop! And they continue to spawn. Creeper! Oh man. I've never successfully killed a creeper. My friend one time, we're playing Minecraft and stuff, and like out of nowhere, he just pulls up. I'm like, creeper! And he's like, oh, screw this, man.
Oh, man.
That's all I get from the explosion. 4 rotten flesh.
We'll be right back.
Oh. I knew I should have put it in easy, not normal. No! You know what? I'm gonna fight him. That's it. Everybody leave me alone. I've died so many times, I don't care anymore. Don't defend the Enderman. Great. Like, seriously, because of you, zombie, I'm getting gangbanged. If I had all my stuff, this would be so much easier. Oh my god! Can I go one space without getting shot by a skeleton? Yeah, creepers! Here! I almost spawned in lava! I was 1 block away from the lava. I'm not even kidding. This is like the rebirth of the torture series, Minecraft edition. Who knew nature could be so cruel? Can't shoot me if you're falling down into water, huh? Ha 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 ha. Big stinky. Ah. This is like not even the official beginning of it. Like, I tried to make this the official beginning. I have so much good content on this one video. Oh, now you start playing music, huh? Yeah. I want to cower in fear. Ah, the skeleton doesn't know where I am. My block of dirt has something to say to you and your stinking arrows. Okay, I'm gonna try to surprise attack that skeleton. But like, mobs are like... Yo. That ain't cool of you, dog. That ain't cool of you. You're not being too cash money right now. To wrap off the video. Okay, I finally finished the video in the cruel way of life. 17 minutes of complete torture. Please subscribe. It will make me feel better.